This is an ad for AMD Gaming.
Hey guys, I'm in the middle of playing this game on my tablet right now. Go, 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 go! Come on! Come on! No! I just lost. Playing this game on tablet is so fun, but I wish I could play it on computer too.
Oh, Ryan, I've been waiting for you to say that for a long time. I've been waiting for this moment ever since you were a baby. I think you're ready to have your own gaming PC!
Really?
Let's go, Ryan. I have something really perfect for you. Let's go! This is it. All for you.
I can't believe you got me my own gaming PC. Wait, why is there so many boxes?
You know, Ryan, I can buy you a gaming PC, but it's more fun if you build gaming PC on your own.
I don't know how to build a gaming PC.
That's okay. I can teach you every step of the way.
And guess what, Ryan? This isn't just any gaming PC. It's an AMD Ryzen gaming PC, which means it's the best for unprecedented gaming power. Ready to build your first gaming PC, Ryan? Let's get started.
First, let's open this PC casing. Unbox time!
For this build, Ryan and I will be using a Height Y40 ATX case.
It's a great PC casing. Ooh, and it's big. Ooh.
Whoa, look at that. It's see-through, so you can see everything that's inside.
What do you think?
Daddy, I see you through there.
Oh yeah, I see you too, Ryan. So computer casing is like a skin. It holds everything inside, and this one is very special because you can see the inside, but you're gonna start building all these components into this casing. You ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
The other reason we like this case is because it has a great airflow, which makes sure it doesn't get too hot.
Let's open the motherboard.
Whoa. For this build, we are using the MPG B650 Edge Wi-Fi motherboard.
The motherboard is like a skeleton. It holds all the different computer components like RAM, CPU. Next one is the most important part of the computer. CPU!
Well, that's the CPU? So tiny.
This is the CPU. It's the brain of the computer. It may look small, it's very smart.
It might be tiny, but the Ryzen 7000 X3D is like the superhero of gaming CPUs. It's the best according to the experts.
That's awesome.
Yeah, because it can deliver an ultra-smooth gaming experience. With their high performance and low latency, they can handle even the most demanding games without breaking a sweat.
But what if something faster and even better comes out in the next few years?
Of course, and if you feel you need more power than it already has, the 7000 X3D can be unlocked.
What does that mean?
It means you can overclock, which is when you boost the processor to its limits.
And this one is also important, graphics card.
So big. Way bigger than this one.
Nowadays, the games has a lot of high quality graphics, right? So now we need good graphics card to show all the details of the game.
Whoa, look. This one's way bigger than this one.
It's so powerful, it needs 3 fans to
Whoa.
cool it down.
Bigger doesn't always mean more powerful though, Ryan. But in case of Radeon 7900 XTX, it does. It's a high-performance graphics card with better value than any other card on the market.
Alright, let's put CPU into the motherboard. You have to be very careful. So take out this lever and open it up.
Whoa.
Alignment is very important. You see on the CPU, there's an arrow sign here, right? That's the indicator where to place it. You will also see the same triangle sign here. So you're trying to align them together, like so. And close the lid. And close. And that's okay. You saw the cover coming off, right? It's intentional. It was protecting the connecting point until you put the CPU. Now CPU is in there, it just pops out. It's meant to be like that. Next, let's install the memory. Here, this part you can do, Ryan.
Here we are using some DDR5 Dominator titanium modules from Corsair.
Get to do this part on my own.
And lock it in.
parents, it might be a bit tricky. So make sure to help out your kids if they need to press at the ends too. It's like putting together a puzzle.
The next part is the storage. Data storage. This is where we store all the data. You'll be surprised how small it is. Look, this is all you need, size-wise,
Wow.
to store all the data. This is 4 terabytes, so big. This is something you can do, Ryan. Here, screwdriver.
Okay.
I want you to open this up. Good. Okay, good job. Okay, so actually that's it.
If yours is not clicking, don't worry. You can always put the SSD drive in first, then screw it in. Easy peasy.
Easier than I thought. Now it's time to put back the cover.
Alright, perfect. And the other side. Good job, Ryan. And we're gonna put one more memory card. It's gonna be in here.
The motherboard is like our PC's skeleton, and these covers are like the rib cage, protecting the delicate parts.
So in here there are 2 slots.
Oh.
Whichever you want. Slide it in first. Got it.
There you go.
Yep. Here you go. Alright, now put this back in. Oh, and this sticker, right? This is his favorite part. Oh, satisfying. Nice. Alright, here you go. Screwing and unscrewing is Ryan's job. Here you go. Good. Perfect.
What's the next step?
We're gonna add the cooling system. So when CPU runs so fast, sometimes it heats up. So you wanna cool it down.
This is an ad for AMD Gaming.
The whole purpose of this is to cool down the CPU.
Whoa.
Big. So we're gonna connect this CPU cooling system on top of the CPU, right? So what I want you to do, Ryan, is unscrew these screws, 4 screws right here, so I can mount this. So this is gonna sit directly on top of a CPU. It's not too hard, right? All right, Ryan, now I want you to put this adapter in here. Screw 4 adapters. There you go. You can do it with your hands. All right, nice, good job. All right, and this too. The bottom there.
And there you go.
All the way in. All right. See if it fits.
Yeah.
All right. Now you want to secure it with this bolt.
Perfect. Now we gotta screw it in.
All right, tighten it up. Good. This cooling system is really cool because right here, this is actually a display. It tells you what temperature your CPU is running. Oh, right here. Once everything turns on, you can check it out. All right, now we're ready to put the motherboard inside this casing.
Wait.
What?
What about the graphics card?
Yeah, this graphics card is really heavy. So we're gonna install this at the end.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, you can easily take out this cover. And this is going right here.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, like this. Oh. Okay guys, so we encountered a little bit of problem. So this cooling fan, this size, was a little bit too big to fit in this casing. So I had to quickly go out and buy a smaller cooling system. This will definitely fit, so I'm gonna replace it. Now we have to unscrew this and then replace it with the new one. All right, now let's put this motherboard, now everything is connected, into the case. Let's see if it fits.
There you go.
And this fan will come in here.
Oh,
Like that.
okay. While I'm holding it, Danny's gonna help me screw it in.
Thank you. This is super helpful, Ryan.
Now the motherboard and the fans are screwed in.
Alright, but there are a lot more fans, Ryan, you can install.
Whoa.
Look at all these.
Now we're just gonna screw on the fan.
Alright, good job.
The extra fans are installed. Look.
Yeah. Next part is adding power supply. This box will connect to the wall plug right here. See? On this end, you hook all these different cables connecting to motherboard, graphics card, fans to supply power to each component of the computer.
Guys, look. All the wires are put in. Look how clean it is.
It looks slick, right?
Come to this side.
This is the behind the scene of the computer. All the cabling, power cables, all hidden inside the back side. But you won't see it from here, right? This is all what you see.
Yup. Next, we need to install the graphics card. Ah!
Oh my gosh! So it's gonna be a little tricky here. So I'm gonna put this connecting device here, so we can put the graphics card vertically instead of horizontal. You should fit right in here. Perfect. So now we use the adapter. We can install it this way. You don't have to worry about supporting this heavy weight anymore. All right, it's in. All right, next we gotta put this cord from power supply into the graphics card because graphics card will need a power too. All right, this part is something Ryan can do.
Okay, all done. Now for the fun part, the cover.
All right, here we go. This part you can do by yourself. Put all the way in, otherwise it's gonna fall.
There you go.
Nice.
Time to test to see if it works. Power on. Whoa. Now this is to turn on. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Look, it's rainbow. Look at all these bands, they're glowing. I can't believe it. I built my first PC all by myself.
With my help? You're welcome. So good job, Ryan. It looks amazing. It's all clean, right? Mm-hmm. And these light up look so cool too. You can change these lights after, Ryan. Yeah. But you want to see the backside still? This is what it looks like in the backside. Wow. But we hide this inside the cover, so it's okay. Bye-bye. Oh. There you go. Mm-hmm. Good. All right, Ryan. Everything looks great. Good job.
Yay! Now I can install my games and play on a computer.
Now, parents, after turning on your PC, make sure to install the AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. It's free and keeps everything running smooth. And the best part is, there's no need to log in to make an account. With it installed, you can see all your games and your system's performance when you run them. It even has a feature called HyperRX, which with one simple click can boost the performance of all your games. You can even use it to stream or record your games right inside the software.
You know, building a computer was really fun, and it's not that difficult. You can always get one of your parents, and then you can build an awesome computer.
Parents, building your own PC isn't hard. It can be great bonding between parents and kids and can become a fantastic hobby. AMD wants to be that brand that parents and kids think of when they start their own journey building a PC now and for many years to come. Team Red rules! Parents, if you're interested in following along and building a PC just like we are, check out the description below and see a list of all the parts you'll need.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye!
Bye.
And thank you for helping me build it.
Oh, you did a great job, Ryan.
Bye guys!
Bye.
This was an ad for AMD Gaming.